Welcome back to the channel, Luke Tubers. Luke, redBeard Custom Fab. Here to do a little bit of an unboxing. It's like Christmas around redBeard Custom Fab today. We're in the shop working on an 8-end tractor. Got some miscellaneous projects we're going to take care of. So we're going to show you, we got a couple different shipments. One of them from whoever this company is. I don't think you guys can see. And then we got some stuff from USA Weld. So HTP America, we got an HTP MiG 2400. Bought some stuff from USA Weld. They're down in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. Good folks down there. They're the kind of place when you have a problem or you need to make an order, place a phone call, you talk to a human in the second ring. They pick right up, they'll take care of you, whatever you need. They get it shipped out right away. You get the parts you ordered, you get exactly what you ordered. You have a problem, you give them a call back, but I've never had a problem there. Never had a problem with my welder, never had a problem with my helmets, or any gear I've gotten from them. So let's take a look here. First thing is this auto darkening welding helmet. This is the Striker series. This is their digital, not to be confused with their XXL, which is a little bit more money. Basically all you get with the XXL is more viewing area. Other than that, it's the same digital setup. One of these fancy ones. I'm sure you've seen something like this before in this shop. This exact helmet, as a matter of fact. Only a little less dirty this one is. Gives you all kinds of different functions in the back here. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, there's your little display. We'll go into more detail about these later, but got this one for the redBeard, old redBeard. He needs a helmet, so we got him a helmet. I need a new headgear for my helmet, so since we were placing an order, went ahead and got some replacement headgear. Can't beat the price on this. I mean, it was like 18 bucks or something like that for the replacement headgear. Can't go wrong there. These guys send you a flyer here. Let me just take a look at what's in here. Thought there might have been something floating around in there. So this is them right here. Yep. Down there on Joey Drive in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. All kinds of different stuff here. Their latest and greatest. They'll show you all about it. They send stickers. You know, in case you have something you want to put a sticker on in the shop, they must know how guys are with their equipment in the shop. Send stickers, I've got a bunch of these already. Now this one here I don't have. This one's definitely going to be going on the welder. This one I do not have, must be a brand new sticker. Just the little things like that. They don't have to send stickers, but they do, you know. Because we're rednecks and we like to put stickers on shit. Blondie?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Show them that sticker right up close, that really cool one.
Okay.
So there's old redBeard's helmet. Decent. That'll never go back in the box the same way. Here you go, honey. Here's some headgear too. Next thing we got from our friends over there at USA Weld, who they are not a sponsor. They certainly could be a sponsor if they wanted to be. We'll talk about them later, you know, after we get a few more people involved here. We got here is nozzle, shield, and anti-spatter spray. So it's a little bit of both. We can spray our nozzles with it, we can spray our work surface with it, you can weld right through it. For all MIG gun nozzles, contact tips, and surfaces where spatter from welding is objectionable. If you want to give them a little shot of that stuff, we'll try it out. I've never tried this exact stuff before. But that's the stuff we're going to try out. Alright, we got some new conical nozzles. And these are the regulars. We'll have Blondie show you these. This is just something that's a wear part. You know, you go through them after a while. Those weren't too bad either. You get 3-pack for like $19.95 or something, so not so bad there. These are totally different gloves than were on the website, but they're the Iron Cats. Let's see how those are. Not quite big enough for me. It's supposed to be one size fits all, but I guess they're large. I guess they'll definitely work for old redBeard. They will not work for me. Oh, I take that back. This one feels pretty good. We need to write Luke on these. Because this one's, these are a little bit bigger. Must just be the way they're made, the way they're sewn, like any glove. Sometimes they're a little tighter fit. So these are mine to keep those separate. Throw them like over there on the toolbox. I'll put my name on them later. I'll put Kyle's name on those. Alright. So that was it. Well, it wasn't yet. I'm missing a little part. There's a part. I got a nozzle reamer too, just to clean the end of the nozzle on the MIG gun. Haven't had one. I usually just use my pliers, but what the heck, might as well get a nozzle reamer. Okay. Bring me a knife over there. There's one on the table. All right. I am going to show you which company this is now. Thanks, Blondie. This is from Eastwood. A lot of you guys know Eastwood. Good company. Sell all kinds of stuff, anti-rust, you know, fix your rust and all that on your trucks or cars or whatever. So, maybe some of you are really sharp and you know what's in this box already. This might give it away. This is the Deluxe Abrasive Blasting Hood. You know, you put it over your head, you know, so you don't like eat the stuff you're blasting. And yeah, it's one of those. Rugged and comfortable protection. Well, how about that? So we'll try that out maybe, I don't know. Don't know how we're ever gonna use that. Oh, here we go. Fancy blasting gloves, not for electrical use, it says right on them. Eastwood. Pretty heavy duty rubber, feels like. Look at these guys. I got a $100 wine voucher in here. Get real. Double your tickets. We could get tickets if we go really fast. On sale, rolling shop tray, $89.95 from Eastwood. There you go. Right on the back of the old packing list. Nothing wrong with that. And our catalog. This is something we need around the shop too. That way we don't have to get on the internet and look around because the internet works so great down here right now. So we can look and see what we want, circle it, call them, get online later, whichever. Blondie?
Yeah.
On to the big one, boys and girls. Oh, we ready? For the big reveal, we're doing this is a gender reveal right here.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Holy, look at the packaging. I tell you what, they shipped this out. Didn't think I was going to get it. I got this thing in like 3-4 days. So it didn't take them very long for it to get here at all. I ordered it on what did I order it on? A Saturday or Sunday? And I got it on a Wednesday. So I guess that's 3 days. Not too shabby. Got a couple of these. I don't know. Say hello to my little friend. No, maybe not. Blondie? Yeah, I know, I'm funny. Just don't ask my wife. Alright, we got all kinds of different parts here. Do we really want to take this all apart right now, or if we're not planning on putting it together?
Maybe not.
Probably not. We'll just set it.
Another video.
Yeah, for another video. We'll set a few things aside. Got to give you a shot. So that's what we're looking at. Eastwood. Did some research on the internet. Found it. Thought, well, let's try it out, you know. Old Eastwood. You got, what are you, is that your walker, Blondie? Alright, so we'll get back to you guys with another video showing this thing getting set up, put together, test fire. We'll do a full review on this, what we think. And we'll probably do like a year in review or 6 months in review or something like that at some point. And that way we can get it up on YouTube. Everybody else can make uniform decisions before they purchase an item like this. It sounds like we're going to like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, click the links below. Check us out on Facebook. Yep.
And click the bell icon right by the subscribe button to get notified every time we post a new video.
Decent. Check us out on Facebook at redBeard Custom Fab.